What if I told you there was 16 hours in a day?
What?
What? You guys are looking at me like I'm crazy. No, you only have 16 hours a day, and you got to find out how in that 16 hours a day, you're going to get good at becoming a creator. And now we're going to get after it. Vlogmas Day 8, let's dive right in. If you're new around these parts, I'm Doc Rock, but I'm going to skip the salutations so we can get right to the point. Most of you guys have been told to get 8 hours of sleep. So that's why your day is only 16 hours. Out of that 16 hours, for most of you, I mean, many of you, like half of that belongs to the man. That 8 hours a day belongs to the man. Now you take that time back. Now you're stuck with only 8 hours. With this 8 hours, you're trying to become a better pastor, a better vlogger, a better creator, a better butcher, a better baker, a better candle. Anyway, you got the point. Here's how we're going to do this. We are going to get you better at whatever it is you want to do, but you're going to need that 1 to 2 hours of deep focused work. A couple of days ago in my video, I talked to you about my golden hour. This is where I learn some stuff. I teach myself, I update, I interact with my crew. This is where I get it done. That's my first hour. I have more hours in my day because I'm self. You know, I can do whatever I want. But while you're still in your groove, we're going to get you there. And here's how you're going to do it. The first task, the very first task is in your idle time. Not your sleep time, of course, because you're asleep. And not your work time, because don't want to get you in trouble with the man. What you're going to need to do is get a pad, a journal, or something, and map out your time. Map out every given second that your idle times, you know, devil's hands and all of that. You get all of that mapped out, and we're going to find out where you're gapping. We're going to find out where you're watching reruns of the Kardashians, or watching the news and getting sad, or getting in arguments with your friends on the socials about something that has nothing to do with anything. Whatever that distracts you from your work, we're going to find that, and we're going to start whittling that down. Like any other diet, if you just cold turkey it, you're probably going to have issues. We're going to take our time and we're going to back out of it. And I'm going to tell you how. The first and foremost, you're going to have to talk to your family, and you're going to have to tell them, I'm on the mission this year. Okay, I'm going to be a better creator. This is me talking. You're going to insert the words that match you. Listen, folks, in order for me to become a better creator, I have to spend more time on my craft. That's more time shooting videos, more time editing videos, more time doing live stream. So in order for me to do this, I'm going to be pulled away from you guys a little way. Hey, look, I still love you. I'm not distracted, but if you need something, we're going to have to work on the timing of it. I'm not going to allow the interruptions right now because I am on a mission, and either you're in or you're in the way. In the way. If that gets you kicked out of the house, just sleep in the backyard. Drop! Nailed it! Because we still got to get after it. So now that we've mapped out your time, what I want you to do is spend 15 minutes deep, focused, uninterrupted learning. Learning your camera, learning your lighting, learning how to melt wax for your candlesticks. Whatever it is you're into, we're going to spend 15 minutes deep focused work. Once you're in that groove and you got it going, we're going to crank that up, jack it up to 30 minutes. Now we're going to get 30 minutes of deep focused work. Get in that groove. Now you got it. We're going to jack that up to an hour, deep focus work. After you find that first hour, finding the second hour is easy because now you're doing what you love. You know how it is? Whenever you're doing what you love, playing Xbox, Call of Duty, incessantly cleaning your car, you can do it. You can just do it. Somehow we find the time when there's something that we want to do. So once we get in this groove, now we're able to put out that 1 to 2 hours of deep focus work. And that means no distractions. You're going to have to let everyone know, hey, don't bother me. This time is mine. I mentioned that earlier, and I also mentioned golden hour. So you guys are starting to see a pattern here. We're going to talk about this a lot until we all just get good at it. Here's the best part. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. You don't care what I think, but trust me, I know you can do it because this first 8 days of Vlogmas, I've seen it. I've watched the glow up. I've watched you guys get better and better and better and get into your groove. This is only day 8. Can you imagine what this looks like come Christmas? Oh, St. Nick is going to be dancing in his sock. These kids is killing it. Somebody forgot to make me chocolate chip cookie because they was busy making videos for Vlogmas. Yes, sir. Nailed it. Can I get an amen? Let's get live, crew. You guys are amazing. Now watch the video that's coming up next.